So today's topic is, where do you invest your money? I would be very, very interested to hear in your comments as well. Let's say you have some sum of money you could invest into a business, either your own business, or you could invest it into someone else's business. You could invest it into properties. So you either partner up or you just literally buy a house or a flat. Maybe you rent it out, and that's the way how you invest your money. Or maybe you go on stock market and you invest into stocks, or maybe you invest your money into education and some sort of qualifications. What it is for you, where you invest your money, and why? What is the motivation behind it? I mean, in my case, in the past, probably like to invest into properties because there is two forms of income. One is from the tenancy, if you got tenants, and the other one is the capital gains. Usually, properties go up. Sometimes they go slowly up, sometimes they stagnate, but most of the time they go slightly up over the years, and sometimes even faster, even really fast. I also like business. I like to invest into business. I mean, so far I invested into my own business, and therefore you got 100% control, because you invested your money, and it's up to you how the business is going. But you could invest into someone else's business, and maybe you know them, maybe you trust them, maybe they're a friend of a friend or something like that. And I think there needs to be some level of trust, and especially you need to be able to find out whether they are competent enough for them to make it happen, because the founders are very important in this level of investment. If it's education, is obviously you are investing into the long term, and perhaps later on it will be paying off when you will become like really good at what you were educating yourself about. And so it's kind of investment into yourself. Or stock market, I don't know much about that because I never really invested. I invested into some funds maybe, but not necessarily stock market where you're literally watching stocks every day or things like that. But I think it's quite an important topic, because a lot of people either just saving money and kind of losing really the value, like the money losing value on the bank account because there's hardly any interest on it. And or you just spend it, right? You spend it, there's not much to invest. So yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'd like to see what is your ideal investment.